Use a keg. A beer keg is always present during parties or sports events. Operating a keg is not as hard as you imagine. It is good to know how to operate a keg so that you can entertain your guests and make sure that there is always beer available for everyone to drink. You can purchase different types of kegs. They are available in different sizes. Find out how to use a keg with these simple instructions that you can follow. Purchase a keg. You can purchase a keg in different sizes. Go to the website 1-800 Beer Club. On the website, you can view different types of beer kegs that you can order online. Make sure that you purchase the keg that you need. You do not want to have a huge keg that will take up space if you are having your party in a small location. Materials that you need. The materials that you need are a dispenser with a carbon dioxide attachment and your keg. Attach the components. Now that you have all the materials ready, you can already attach the components together to set up your keg. Look for the hole on top of the keg. The hole is where the beer will be released. Get the coupler. The coupler is the component that you need in order to connect the keg with the carbon dioxide line. This is needed in order to make the beer travel on the line. Put the coupler mechanism on the hole on top of the keg. Rotate the coupler to lock it in position. Make sure that the lever is on the right position. It should be facing upward. Lock the components in place. Get the handle and lower it. Push the lever down so that the coupler will be locked completely into the hole of the keg. Next, place the lock mechanism by pushing the lever into the center of the coupler mechanism. Now all the components are in place. Engage the carbon dioxide. Open the carbon dioxide to release it from the tank. If you have connected the components the right way, you are ready to use your beer keg. All you have to do is to decide on the type of beer that you want to put inside the keg. Use the keg after setting up. It is best to set up the beer keg where you want it to be during your party for convenience. Avoid transporting the keg when you have already set it up, since the beer can get shaken inside and shoot out when you try to get beer. These are the steps that you should follow when you want to use a beer keg. After doing it for the first time, you will surely find it easier to operate it the next time. Make sure that you have enough beer to replenish the contents of the keg during your party. Remember to use the keg responsibly. No minors should be drinking during your parties.